How to enable or disable voice typing on Google Keyboard, Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down, and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Gboard. And you will see voice typing is here. Click on voice typing and you will see if you want to enable or disable voice typing. So if you want to disable voice typing, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see voice typing is disabled. If you want to enable voice typing, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see voice typing is enabled. You will enable or disable voice typing from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable voice typing on Samsung Google Keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.